guys, it's Mary Z, Easy Recipes. Welcome to my channel. I have quite a large amount of plums here, and some of them are still a bit unripe and some of them are really ripe. You know, I was given these plums by a friend who is next to my allotment. So I was just wondering, how can I, use all this bulk of plums? So the thing is, I'm going to make a plum juice today. So plums are really a versatile crop, and you can either use them, in a fruit salad, or you can just eat them as they are. So usually the ones unripe like this one, you can let them ripe at room temperature, then they'll be okay. So when you want to make the plum juice, you need to deseed, or you need to pit the plums. I have prepared these ones already. I have removed the seeds. Here are the plum seeds. So we call it deseeding or pitting the plums. So before I make the juice, we just need to find out, why are plums so good to us? The thing is, plums have sugar in them, so we need to take them in moderation. Experts usually say you just need maybe 2 or 3 plums a day. That is okay because of their sugar. But the thing is, plums have offer health benefits to us. It is believed that plums have lots of fiber and are good for digestion. They also are good for promoting heart health, and they are loaded with vitamin C, which is also good for our well-being. And they are also believed to be sources of potassium. So overall, plums are very good to boost our immunity. The only thing is, with everything, we need to take in moderation. So let me show you how we can deseed the plums, how we remove the seeds, and then how we can prepare this plum juice I'm going to prepare today. So what you do is, you just check if your plum is still a bit hard, then you can leave it for another time. You can let it ripe at room temperature. So you just need to check which plums you can use for the juice. So let's see here. I'm just going to choose one and show you how to pit them. So if you look at this one, there's a line, you can squeeze it like this, and if you feel there's some juice coming out, like this juice coming out, it's a sign that it is ready and ripe. So the plums have like a line running down this line here. So what you do with a little knife, you can just cut it through, or you can do it on the board. I'm just taking chances. So when you cut through, then you can open like this. You squeeze it open and it opens. Then you see the pit there. That's the pit. So you can use your finger, just twist it like this, twist it. Oh, there you go. The pit is out, the seed is out. So that's our amazing plum, ripe and ready for the juice, for the plum juice. So I have prepared some already, these ones. They are already pitted. The seeds has been the seeds have been removed. So these are our pitted plums, which are ready for juicing. So we have our plums ready for juicing. So I've put water in the blender. There's water there, and then what I'm going to do, I'll leave these ones for another session or for another use, because some of them still need to get ripen at room temperature. So our plums, they are now ready for the juicer, for the blending. Let's look at the blending. Here we go. We have our plums in there. We just load them in there. We load them in there. Plum juice, take in moderation, because plums have lots of natural sugars. So we're going to take the plum juice in moderation and enjoy. Now we are going to give the plum juice a bit of a kick. So here we go. We have some limes here. We have some limes. So we are going to juice some limes. So we juice these limes because there's lots of plums there. We can juice 2 limes. It depends, or 1. So I'm going to juice 2 limes just to give the plum juice a kick. This is to give the plum juice a kick. So let's juice this limes. Wow, this one is lots of juice. Look at that. Lots of juice. We juice this one as well. There's lots of juice in here. So our plum juice is having a touch of lime. So we have a touch of lime. This is our plum juice. So let's see how much juice we've collected. We've collected quite a lot. So we have lime juice here. And there we go into our blender. This is lime juice into our blender. Now everything is ready. There's water, there's lime juice, and now we are going to blend and collect our plum juice. Plum juice. That's our plum juice. All is done. Our plum juice is ready. You can take it as it is, but I just want to sieve it and have like sort of let's see if we sieve it. We are going to sieve our plum juice now. Sieving our plum juice. Look at that. This is our plum juice. That's the plum juice. If you want, you can use the residue. You can have the residue with some yogurt. That would be good, a fiber for you. So that's our plum juice. Wow, look at that. So after we sieve, we need to taste this plum juice. Let's give it a taste. So that's our plum juice. Wow, look at that. This is the plum juice. Let's give it a taste. It looks like a cup of tea. That's the plum juice. You can keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, and enjoy it chilled. So let's taste this. Let's taste this. It's having a pungent, a sharp, like sort of pungent taste, which is really good. So please remember to subscribe to the channel, and also remember to make this lovely plum juice. Good to take it in moderation, and it is believed to be very good for the general health, and can boost the immunity, boost our immune system. Yes, fiber, and really good for heart health. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to the channel. It's Mary Z Easy Recipes. Thanks for watching.